season and you know cough syrups are no good for you. So let's make ours at home with ingredients you already have. Chop up an onion however you'd like, we are dicing. Place it into a convenient jar. I am using this one because it's a strong glass, has a spoon holder, and it looks cute. You can find this one in my showcase as well if you'd like. Then add half a cup of honey to the jar. Place the lid on it and let it sit for at least 24 hours for best results, but even a few hours works well. Here's what the syrup looks like 3 hours after sitting. And this is the cough syrup. Take 1 tablespoon daily or as needed for a better cold and flu season.